Hello guys, today's video will be about Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on users' submitted artwork. The company was founded in 2006 in Melbourne, Australia. So let's head to the website. One card fits all. You give, they get just what they want. Instant gift card that unlocks whatever they love. So Netflix fan art plus Redbubble, awesome. Become a member, get 50% off your first order. So let's sign up. Join the Redbubble. Artist sign up or customer. So this website will be divided on two videos. Let's start with the artist sign up. You need your email, your shop name, and the password suggested by Google. Sign up. Unfortunately, this username has already been taken. I have just the right username to use. How? This is the first time I see someone using this. Let's just add an X. Wow. X solve every problem. That's why they are using X in maths. So this is your dashboard, your home website. You can create products, add designs, set up shops, add profile picture, and how to get paid. Here you can upload your new work. Here we have the account settings. So let's start with creating the products. Checking if the site is connecting securely. Connection is secure. So here you have to add new work, upload new work, or copy an existing work. File requirements. We recommend high resolution, minimum of 1000 resolution for more. So copy the same product and design the placement from other design. This particularly create color variant. So if you have no idea, just copy an existing work. Here, the portfolio, works, collections. So if you have no work on your profile as me, you just head back to the previous page and upload new work. Should be yours, and I don't think I have such thing. Let's just upload a random file and see if it fits. So yes. So we have 4 languages, the title, Madara, tags. What do I need the tags? Name. So Madara and other tags. You can find website that give you. No, don't replace the image. So the description, dark. No, don't replace the image again. So the background color, black. No, 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 let's set it white. Okay, they know. No, 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 who said red? Heck, how can I? So, the white is good. How? How? It should be big. How to get it bigger than this? Never mind, you can edit it. Let's edit the hat thing. So here, you can replace image, center, and scaled image. I do think there is a mistake. How? How to get it more bigger? So let's apply those changes. Okay, this is weird. So I'm just showing you how to add your job so you can save your work. Who can view this work? Only me, cause it's not something worth it. The media, it's a photograph or art or something. And that's it. Let's save the work. What did we do? Please indicate if your work contains mature content. No, it's for kids. Please indicate that you own the right to sell this work. I don't have the right to sell this work. And that's it. This is my work. And this is how to become an artist on Redbubble and sell your work. 10% off promos the best if you enter your email. So let's head to the account settings now. Your work was successfully added. Poster. Image is too small. Arch print. Image is too small. Canva print. Image is too small. Yes, that's what I said. This image was too small. So you can upload your profile picture, cover image, your first name, last name, the display name, the email. Allow users to see my age, no. My city, no. Me, bubble mail, yes. The bio, the notification settings, let's turn them all off. The copyright things. So this is the copyright URL, offsite, and image settings, Pinterest, and mature content. You can save change. Oh, it's important to save change. So here we have the payment detail, the most important thing. So you need the first name, the last name, your email, the phone number, the country, the verification code for the email and the phone number, your address where you live, the postal address, and how would you like to get paid, what currency and what way, and here to change your password and cancel your account. So where did my work disappear? My profile, 0 followers, 0 following, and 0 favorited. So I have to delete this work before the copyright things appear. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.